It is okay to boko. Now bobo. Name we are damn out to the extent to say the last day of the season the team will fit. Now said you only need seat strengthen the team. Now to baby na say walk on semwa. Now just a one cast a team le kita on. So I am happy to say Abubakar Watara and any other technical staff no. I realized the problems in the Hearts of Folk setup. I was there was more add up. No more beefy on team no. Me happy with the kind of players I had to focus on. Me happy with the kind of players Asante Kotoko sign. So these two teams are signings are. Na nyema kwa ye de more. It makes the Ghana Premier League better.
Opemsuo.
Me mutim bia nimtia. But they be America me de bebam. Last season at a point, be 1 month, 2 months. Summertex the first, Nations the second. Oklibi Krosi Gabana Baba Beka just 2 points. We share, now we are share. We share, now we are share. But the buzz around the Ghana Premier League, na anticipate the Cambre be a champion because na Kotoko and Hearts na that's true. Even Africa Omubui, we are talking about them. But Kwame, maybe we will be to say. Some techniques to no mobile Africa. And Kotoko and Hearts to focus on Africa and home command Dawson. I tell some techniques to atre. Yes. A government journalist a free Kumasi and in kind. Our more person need to be able to find the aquaman on it. Aqua fans some because so honum and the reports and the commentary the Abra material for Sabatex to quite Kokobo game in Swaterman Kokobo game. How many radio stations in Ghana and I hear commentary about that game?
I'm ball Ghana and them go 4 years outside the day.
Now even in Ghana and the cross station to do any outside one a minimum say be a green gold radio. I was summer boy,
yeah.
And they be a radio station, they be a one swatre, and a year the end minim, and I said those in be a minim. But I'm call outside no. Man, radio station be as all run a commentary. But I can't Kotoko had to focus. You are going to hear every single radio station say or run a commentary because I Kotoko had to focus. This is how big these two teams are. It is a boss season year. Now some more signings no more year. It goes a long way to help the Ghana Premier League. The brand Ghana Premier League. And then and a gaka for go on top 4 now. Somebody na so mo na eguno. Na why na organize it? O organization that's all my clubs in the name of Opea. No mama mesia kind of farmer why na eguno. And then a gaka egu on top 4 now. And by this time will be a signings away no kwame. And come about top 4. I'm about top 4 ni ria. Players about more than top 4 in the they've given us glimpses of the kind of quality of the Ghana Premier League anymore. It's in Kayeshe League in Asia. Obo will be a costa you makwa to play na top 4 ball homodeno. We so kwa have to folk play na top 4 ball homodeno. Ebin pa top 4 no kwame wanya da agya hwebi. But league na started no what it din no wa bonten. It's your kwa hwese din no. But today top 4 ni ho. It's the kind of signings of a better radio so I can't watch them. That is what is going to draw the supporters closer to the clubs. And the more eager, some person will go home with teams. How to focus on Ramsey Yusuf, quality player. I'm only praying Sabana Orban and Yamebayan at Dom. Nobody in you free season and Yamabe Fadiamano. He played for New Dubiase or to Kwaiko Croatia, Coco Bobo or Belarus. And I see our back. To a Dubiase and had to focus kwa sign. Yaya Draman from Babiani Gold Stars. He is one of the best right backs in the Ghana Premier League. Just a Ghana Premier League who Shebi. He's a quality player. It is a player so Mobeto Tono. And we are the centre back from Nations FC. A free Boateng, a striker from Nations FC. Last season Ghana Premier League scored around 11 goals or so. And not bad for a striker who played in the Ghana Premier League and for a team like Nations FC. And they had to focus also added quality to their squad. Neyeka players from our back. Nuruddin Abdelaziz. Senior injury. He's one of the best midfielders in the Ghana Premier League.
Sure.
And you play and Nuruddin. Nuruddin is feta. Only more butcher midfielders be Ghana Premier League. Salim Adams the least said about him the better. Say a more ball pa Salim. Quality player. And you have to focus also gotten players. Almost what's our quality that coach in the money And this time around, I am not sure the supporters are going to be able to wait. So, I'm about to train. Said you see last season, you be